Welcome back to my channel. And before I forget, I always want to say share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And this is part 2 of the Farberware unboxing. I decided that it would probably be really helpful if you saw some pots and pans on the eye and how it looked and if it would work that way. And like I said, this is the Farberware double burner. Now, I also bought some pans, but this was another day, and so I looked around and I found the pans, and I said, you know what, this would work and this would be helpful if I go ahead and put this on the burner to see how it works. Now, this particular pan is 11 inches, and that's what it looks like on the burner. Now, that's 11 inches. I don't know the exact measurement of this pan, but you definitely would not want to put both of these pans on this burner at the same time because it's unsafe. That would be on the edge. And safety-wise, that's not safe. But everything that I'm saying right now is my opinion. No one is paying me for these reviews or my opinion about this. It's just me wanting to show someone else that might be thinking about purchasing a Farberware double burner. So, like I say, these are my opinions. And not to say that this wouldn't work, but you wouldn't want to do it at the same time to keep it safe. Now, like I said, this particular pan is 11 inches. That's what it would look like. Yeah, that's what it would look like. And this one, I know, I don't know the exact measurement for this one, but it wouldn't fit safely there. Never do that because that's not safe. And let me go back. Oh, I also wanted to let you know how long this card is. That might be helpful for someone. Let's see how long it is. This is the card. And you got enough cord to stretch it to, you know, if you're not right on a plug. That's how much cord we have. And also, the cord also is attached. It's not one of those burners or that you have to unattach and attach every time you use it. It's already attached and it doesn't come off. So you don't ever have to worry about losing your card because it doesn't come off. And these are the little feet that in the other video, it said non-skid feet, which is great because it will not slide around. Okay. And on the burner itself, it says recommended pot size 8 inches. That's what it says. Now, the reason there was some hangover with this pan is because this is 11 inches. So this recommends 8. But safely you can put this on here, but not put another pan or pot on the opposite side while you're using one that's larger than recommended. And those details mean a lot. You know, I want to be as accurate as possible because, and like I say, safety is the only way to do it. This says, once again, 8-inch in diameter maximum. This is 11. So it can be used, but not with anything else on this opposite side. I would not do it. I would not recommend it. I would say do any of it separately. Just because it's a double burner, it does not mean you can put 2 big objects on here and be safe, because someone could get hurt. And like I said, I think this part where the card is attached is great, because you never have to worry about finding the card because it's attached to it already. And I'm putting this down because it is quite heavy. And I can say that it will not, without a lot of pressure, it will not skid around on any surface. It won't slide that, you know, just by bumping it. So that's a good thing too, that it has some weight to it and that it does not slide. So I wanted to come back and give you some more details about this burner. When I found, you know, when I came across the pots and the pans, I was like, well, that's worth knowing or hearing. Now, safety, safety, safety. Look at the recommendations on the burner. And it's best to use it the way it says use it. But if you decide that you want to get a bigger pot or another pan, do not, in my opinion, I would not put 2 on this thing at one time. Not 2 at one time. Be safe and like, subscribe, and share. And I thank you again. Have a great day and continue to practice kindness.